How beautiful is this shade for fall? It is the perfect bloody red. So D&D was having this amazing promotion of $5 per set. So you know how to pick some up, some fall-inspired shades. And this one was just screaming at me, the red garnet. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So on to nail application. I am sorry for these camera angles. I know they're not the best. Still trying to figure that out when it comes to doing my nails. So this is usually how I get up and close to that cuticle on the sides because it can be kind of tricky. And that's one thing I love about these gel D&D polishes is that they are thin enough, very easy to apply, but they hold a lot of pigment and I never experience bleeding or anything like that. As you see here, I'm able to get really close to my cuticle, but without it touching my skin. Before curing, I like to take a look at all angles of the nail, make sure there's no bleeding anywhere, making sure it looks as good as it can. Again, I really got to work on my nail camera angles. I'm not used to these videos, so I apologize. And lastly here, for the thumb, as you see, I'd like to get all that pigment on there, and then from there, we start pushing it up against the cuticle area. Here, I wanted to show you the difference between 1 coat and 2 coats. So from my middle finger to my pinky, it's already 2 coats on there. And then here we're doing the final coat on the thumb. Unlike regular polish, I'm not racing against drying time here, which is one of the perks when it comes to gel. You could really take your time here and perfect before you cure. I have top coated and oiled my cuticles, and here we are. This is like the most perfect red in my opinion. I'm going to be wearing this shade all fall and winter long.